Hello friends, subscribe to the Expansive Mind to get updates of latest geopolitical events going around the world.
In past 6 years, India's relations have worsened with China, Nepal, Malaysia, Bangladesh and Pakistan. India lost stake in Afghan peace processes and now have lost stake in Iran as well. So, a very big question arises here is that has Modi government foreign policy failed? So, let me come to the point. Why is it so? So, starting with China. Then the past few years, many countries have got its relations worsened with China. USA, India, Japan are some of the main countries in the list. India had tensions with China on several fronts. First of all, at the border. China is putting pressure on India to release the disputed territory in Ladakh region. Recently, there have been clashes over there. India may have been able to save its relation if it had compromised its sovereignty and had displayed a passive front. But India fought back, which was the best possible option there. Now, coming to the economic front, the situation is a bit more tricky here as well. China is having a huge share in Indian market, and that is alarming. It is not only proving to be destroyer for the domestic industries, but is draining the country of its valuable foreign reserves. Besides, it is also trying to restrict India's international influence. Also, China is trying to project itself as a global power. So, India is one of its biggest competitor in that. India is a strong opponent in Asia and one of the trusted allies of US. So, of course, it is in the interest of China to restrict India. Now, coming to the reason why I chose China to answer this question. So, the reason is that China is a major factor of India's tensions with Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. China is using those countries as puppets. China has made a huge investment in those countries and they are in same path as Pakistan's. And speaking of Pakistan, it would be interesting to figure out who is using whom here. Both China and Pakistan have their interest when it comes to tensions with India, particularly in the north. However, if we talk specifically about Pakistan, India took some big steps which unsettles Islamabad. The biggest of them is obviously the revocation of Article 370 and making Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh as union territories, which means they are under the direct control of centers. I believe that was a master stroke by India's Home Minister Amit Shah, and Pakistan remains baffled by it. That is why it is urging the Organization of Islamic Countries (OIC) to extend their support over Kashmir issue. Indeed, India's relations have worsened with these countries, but in order to save the sovereignty of country, that is justifiable. But besides this, it should also to be kept in mind India has improved its relation with major powers such as US, UK, Australia, Russia, Israel, Japan, etc. by acts such as inviting Australia and Quad naval exercise and many others. So the conclusion is that hostility never remains permanent, it will soon went away when there will be a much bigger interest of these countries with India. With this, I am giving full stop to my words. Hope you all have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.